As highlighted.
Jotije od thieth ma Kenyatta University Teaching Referral and Research Hospital ojiwo oganda ma goma bende osebedo ka chulo chenro mag tich e od thieth no mondo mi odoge tich kaluwore ni oseduoknegi okumba mar thieth. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar thieth mano Harry Kimtai ne ogolo lendo makamano kaka yo mar duoko chenro mag thieth e wang'e osiptandno. Bende ne obedo ng'ikruok moro matin bang' Ngire Mugende Olive ne gwetao kaka jakom mar board matayo osiptandno.
The issue are resolved, so she's going to act as your new CEO here. Issue number 5, among the irreducible minimum, the challenge of medical cover. It has been directed that the management works with the Jubilee to renew the medical cover as per the terms that were agreed last year, to pay the exact amount of money that they paid last year. Anything over and above will be negotiated with the Jubilee within 1 week.
Kapisa maduong' mar od thiethno Ahmed Dogane bende ne ore yweyo mapiyo mapoya nono ka bende kare ne oduogo kaw gi Zainab Gura bende koro mako lemo mar Ahmed Dogane kaka apisa maduong' mar od thiethno e yor kojolo.
I am really honored to be here and to have the confidence of the PS and the leadership of the Ministry of Health to be able to steer the ship for the interim period as the issues are being resolved. I want to assure you that I am usually a listener. Wow. And I'll listen to you. Yes. Allow and please give us support to be able to think through and sort through the issues as we steady the ship and as we wait for the reorganization to be taken, to be done in good time.
Ruoth Masuna Oruba location Charles